Military might meets heritage of the nation on Kartavya Path. India celebrated its 77th Republic Day on Monday with a grand display of military prowess and cultural heritage as missiles, armed forces, battalions, and artists competed for attention on Kartavya Path. While the 150th year celebrations of the national song Vande Mataram was the prominent theme, the event celebrated the country's successes during last year's Operation Sindoor. President Draupadi Murmu presided over the event. President of the European Council Antonio Costa and President of the European Commission Ursula von der Leyen were the chief guests. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted Ms. Murmu and the chief guests who arrived in traditional horse-drawn buggies at the podium. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and several other union ministers, top military officials, foreign diplomats, and senior officials were among the spectators. The celebrations began with Ms. Murmu conferring India's highest peacetime gallantry award, Ashoka Chakra, on Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla for being the first Indian to set foot on the International Space Station. Over 100 artists came together to kick-start the celebration on the theme of Vividhathamen Ekta, Unity in Diversity, performing with traditional musical instruments from across the country to demonstrate the nation's rich cultural diversity. The parade was led by Parade Commander Lieutenant General Bhavnesh Kumar, General Officer commanding Delhi area, a second-generation officer. A tri-services tableau showcased replicas of major weapon systems deployed by the defense forces during Operation Sindoor in May 2025. The celebration also saw the parade debut of the newly raised Bhairava Battalion, a specialized assault infantry unit. In addition, a military contingent from the European Union participated. It was the European Union's first participation at such an event outside Europe. A total of 30 tableaux, 17 of states and union territories and 13 of various ministries and departments rolled down Kartavya Path, showcasing India's first water metro. Kerala's tableau depicted the state's achievement of 100% digital literacy and green mobility. Chhattisgarh's tableau themed the mantra of freedom, Vande Mataram, paid tribute to tribal freedom fighters, while Gujarat's tableau highlighted Vande Mataram and honored Bikaji Kama, underlying the state's role in the freedom movement. This year, the enclosures for the parade were named after the rivers of the nation.